Hi, I'm BJ Morgan. I'm with Red Mountain Mortgage, and I'm proud to be a sponsor of Century 21's Piggy Bank Kids Camp. I feel like this is something that's awesome for the kids. Learning financial responsibility at a young age will just help the kids grow leaps and bounds.
Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm with Serco Restoration, Fire, Water, Mold, Mildew. I'm out here at Century 21's Piggy Bank Kids Camp. We just wanted to support the community. We think it's great that you guys are doing this, and I just think it's amazing that Century 21 took this upon themselves to have this kids camp, and it's going to be great for the kids.
My name is Marcy Torres, and I am the owner of Gutter Girl. We're here sponsoring the Piggy Bank Kids Camp, and I am so happy to be a sponsor here because I think it is so important to teach our children not only how to make money, but how much it costs to do things in real life.
When you grow up, what did you want to be?
Maybe a firefighter.
How much do you think a firefighter makes?
He probably gets like $100 per week.
What do you think the average cost here for a home?
Like 150,000.
In these times, about $5,000.
Around like $500,000.
400,000.
I think it's 900,000.
I think it's like 700,000. Yeah, I think 900,000.
700,000.
A lot of money. Maybe $5,000. 900,000. 8,000. Maybe 9,000.
The question is, how much do you have saved?
$120.
$120. And what are you saving that money for?
For charity.
I think I have saved like, I'm gonna say like $30, $40. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get a hoverboard because I really like them. I mean like $100. It depends on the color.
1,300, and then the other one has 130. One is for a water bottle, and then the rest is just so I don't spend it.
$15. I have like 100 about.